Did you ever miss the brilliant moment? Because you can't shoot while driving? Wide-angle lens covers multi-lanes, so there are endless options of views. 70mm is also equipped with a 3-axis gravity sensor. The gravity sensor allows 70mm to record the process of an emergency collision. The emergency video is separately saved to ensure it not be recovered by regular loop recording. This feature helps you provide evidences for insurance and avoid falling into cheating. With 70mm app, you can preview the recording images in real time on your phone. And it's convenient for you to browse the video list and export video files at any time. The installation of 70mm is quite easy, just 2 simple steps. The power is provided by your cigarette lighter port right in your own car. No extra power source or batteries needed. It can be rotated to a variety of angles to suit different models of cars. This is uncommon 70mm Smart Dash Cam. Life is a beautiful journey. Enjoy every time on the road with the company of 70mm.